Hey gems, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how I achieve this Frohawk using just some bobby pins and ORS products. So cute, so simple. I actually used to wear this so much when I first went natural. So stay tuned to see the full tutorial. As you can see, my hair was definitely in need of a wash day. So I had some product buildup, so I'm using ORS Olive Oil Aloe Shampoo, which is a clarifying shampoo designed to be able to remove that product buildup without stripping your hair of its nutrients. So I'm just scrubbing it all in there, getting that scalp, making sure it's nice and clean. So I'm checking my scalp, make sure that I got all that product out, and I'm ready to move on to conditioning. Next up, I'm using the ORS Olive Oil Replenishing Conditioner. So it's helping to be able to restore some of that moisture, rebuilding that hair, and then being able to stimulate my hair roots as well. So I'm applying it over all sections while being able to detangle. Detangling is definitely an essential step in the function of being able to get your style ready. So I personally prefer working in sections when I'm detangling, styling, whatever it may be. It's just easier to maintain. So I'm detangling with my Denman brush, making sure that the hair is easy to run my fingers through, and just working my way around each section. Now I'm ready to let that sit. So after letting that sit, I'm rinsing it out and moving straight on to the styling process. For styling, I'm using the ORS Smooth and Hope Pudding, which I love because it's pretty lightweight, but it gives you great definition as if it was a heavy cream when it's not. Next up, I'm following up with my Eco Styler Black Castor Oil Gel, which is one of my staple products that I use in rotation, especially for wash and goes, because I love that it gives it that wet look with your curl definition. So then I'm using the denim brush again to really be able to define those curls so you can see how juicy they are and make sure that the product is evenly distributed throughout all parts of the hair. Now I'll be repeating these steps in each section. Now that the wash and go is fully defined all around, you want to begin to style your hair. Now you can definitely achieve this style on an old wash and go or old twist out. I just opted to do it on freshly washed hair because it was wash day. And so all I'm doing is brushing my hair up to the middle and then taking a bobby pin down the middle of my head all the way to the back to secure that hair. So you're going to do it on one side, make sure it's all in place, and then flip it over and then be able to do the other side of your hair. And when you're placing the bobby pins on the second side, you just want to make sure that it's full enough to create that Frohawk look. Now you just let it dry. And while my hair is drying, I did me a quick beat and now ready to lay these edges. I'm using the ORS edge control around the perimeter of my hair, which has a really thick consistency, which really gives you that sleek look on your edges. And just like that, you have you a quick, cute Frohawk. This is a great way to extend an old wash and go or twist out, or if you have freshly washed hair, to be able to create the look like I did here today. This is a very beginner friendly tutorial for naturals who are just beginning their journey and not really sure how they want to style their hair, or for those who have been natural for quite some time and just want some versatility in a look. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and hit that notification button so you can know when new posts become available. Until next time, ta-ta!